Hello everyone, and welcome to my new Yeet Cars video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at my 1997 Hyundai Coupe SFX. Over the last few episodes, we've fixed the engine, we've painted it, and we've started getting it driving. In this video, it's going to drive for the first time. So we've got the rear hatch painted, and the mirrors, and the wing, and the rear bumper, so it will all be able to go back on. I just finished doing the touch up there, where we'll need a sand on the edge there. We'll sand across the whole thing, and then we'll polish it all so it blends nicely. All of the roof is done. Then we'll start putting all the panels back together. Woohoo! It is all repainted in there, and we managed to get the carpet in, the boot in, and the sunroof. So now we'll be getting the roof, inner roof, whatever you call that, and the beam around there, beams there, so that it's all ready so that we can get the person out who does the window. We'll soon get the rear bumper in there, but it had some brackets that held it on. I think it was from those 2 points, and that bracket is rusted. It had another bracket that went across somewhere there that was rusted on either side as well, so we just need Dad to weld up a few points so that it can actually hold the bumper right. Rear brackets are painted and ready to go on. Bracket on. I had to use a bolt through there instead of the clip because Dad's made a new bracket and it's made of aluminium, and we made it thicker to be stronger, but then forgot that it's a clip. So deleted the clip, and now I've got bolts on either side. We can put the bumper on. Now I can't put the center console in yet because we had to order new boots for it because the boots were all worn out looking, and that will be a surprise. I'll show you what they look like when they come. Okay, so we've got the seats in, and we've got the center console in, and how do you like that? Stuck the S badge, it's just drying at the moment, on there, and we'll soon get the boots. But we're having some scruffling noises coming when we turn the fan on, and it smelled a little weird, and I just took the fan part out, and it is filled with poops. So this car used to have a residential mouse in it, so I hope it's not there anymore. Look at this, guys. So this is my surprise. This is the color highlights I'm going to have throughout the car. It's going to be white, black and green. But I got these boots off eBay, and it's Alcantara with green stitch. And they look pretty nice. And they feel good too. So I love that. Now the mirror holding bracket piece is painted, and so are the front light pieces, which are going to look so nice, and the wipers, they're all painted, so they'll be ready to go on once we've got the windscreen in. Mirrors are all back together. They look so nice. We've also got the wing to put in, which seals, like we've got to put new seals around it to stop it getting water into there. Roof lining is in, and we've just got to get the panel, like the side panels all along there in, and the panels there, and all the inside panels here. Alright, so the wing is on, and it makes the car look so much better. So we've got to put drive shaft oil in there, because if we don't, then it will probably grind up all the gears and we won't be able to drive it. And we took it out because we needed to get the joints out there because they were leaking, and so we've got new seals in there and it should be all fine. And that's when you see it fall out of the bottom. Now it's all in. So I've just finished cutting out the template for the front splitter, and it looks so nice. It makes the car look so much lower. Those are the lights in. We haven't sealed them up yet, but it's just seeing what they look like, and they look really good too. So I reckon that'll look nice. What? Nuts are off. Oh, that sounds so nice. First drive. Look at that. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe.